Hello and welcome back to the Spanish Pavilion, to our stage here where we're shining a spotlight on our companies, our co-exhibiting companies here at the Spain Pavilion. The next company presenting for us is Grupo WDNA. The title of the presentation is We Make the Future Present, and joining me on stage is José Baños Jiménez, CEO of the company. Welcome, José, and whenever you're ready.
Thank you very much for the introduction. Let me start first introducing what WDNA stands for. It stands for Wireless Domestic Network Auditors. We are specialized on network monitoring and audits. Hello guys. We set up the company in 2014, and since then we've been monitoring and auditing different networks first year around the globe. Our company is specialized in three main verticals, business verticals. One is the wireless, where we monitor network from agnostic point of view, and we provide advanced services on top of this monitoring. We have our own network operations center based in Mallorca, 24/7, to supervise the performance, fault management, and configuration of the network. This summarizes the first vertical, wireless. We have the second one, is a so-called atmosphere, where we have all services related to meteorological phenomena. With disruption technology, incorporating wireless information data on top of the atmosphere traditional models, converting the normal or regular wireless network into the most powerful meteorological network possible. And the third, we call that virtual pluviometry. It's not the only thing we deliver on that, but it's our own naming for describing this vertical. Sorry, this feature of this vertical. And the third one is the Internet of Things. Since our beginning, we have been developing R&D products based on electronics to incorporate added value on the network itself, but also on the gadgets, on the devices. And we are capable of the designing, developing, and implementing practically any device on the market, as well as integrating third-party solutions. As you can see, we have three different ecosystems: the telecommunications, the atmosphere, meteorological, and the Internet of Things. And we combine a single platform, so-called Smart Entropy Smart, to provide the most advanced solution for smart city monitoring platforms. The Entropy product is set up is divided in three different components: Watcher, Auditor, and Discovery. As you can see, Watcher basically is monitoring the real-time performance end-to-end, and vendor agnostic. Okay? Also, we're capable of executing triage and quality assurance projects based on that. The second one is the auditor. On the auditor, we add special features to combine all this information into added value data for the operators, and boosting their benefits, their efficiency, and operations. And the third one, we call it Discovery. And we put in there all the network topology, all the nominal data that is out of the systems, and all together we narrow the gap between the reality and the planning. Okay, these are different screenshots of our solution. Here I would like to highlight that all this data that we collect from the OSS, we guarantee its network integrity, meaning that we're capable of of analyzing the data in real time, and also going backwards when the OSS, for example, dumps the information, recollect it and put it together to make a consistent data. Some of the features that we can get out of entropy, for example, is an advanced interference analyzer on real time, for example, detecting cross cables or fraud, etc. And this can be plotted in any GIS. Regarding services, well, these are some of the examples, right? We can get from the audit itself, or multi-vendor and multi-technology, up to, for example, the services related to the revenue boosting and rentability, profitability, monetization. Have 3 more minutes. Well, this is already out of date, but basically it's the life cycle of where we can use entropy to close the loop for all the processes that are quite complex and interact with different departments of the telecom operator, in order to reduce and avoid silos and have a consistent and single process to optimize their efficiency. Okay? These are some of our results. We double the drop, for example, we reduced 2 digits on drop call rate in some operators. We double traffic, improving the throughput and reducing the problem between the OPEX by figures of 40%, just using correctly the resources for the company. This is I will not go more on detail, but we have a network operations available for any operator, any customer, 24/7 combined of engineers, IT, and business leaders, to get very close to the business needs and use it as a backup in case of any contingency that our customers could have. Imagine in Mexico, if there is an earthquake or a flood or any disaster, we could also help them out to recover their network, to analyze what's happening and be there for whatever they need, having a close eye onto their network. We'll go. This is the stack of the solution. We can go from we call gestores, the OSS manager, up to the final solution. Is called dispatcher. It's designed to close the information to the latest operations guy on the field. Because, as you know, some of the problems that the operators had is the reduced and limited access to the information to the guys that really need it, due to security and any other operation blockage. So we can control that and make this information available to the guys. And here I will finalize with this kind of complex slide, but I think it's a good one to summarize that we can accompany the project, the operator, into any of the project phases, from pre-launch until the regular operations, to perform automatic acceptance test process. Meaning that we can get into for example, for the first stage, and accepting the normal standardization, going to the launch phase, saying, okay, this is what's supposed to be and it's fine, and then guaranteeing a sweet and smooth post-launch across the time. Okay? And this is the virtual pluviometry. Sorry, I think I only have 15 seconds. According to just to give you a quick highlight, and as I mentioned before, we transformed the wireless network into the most advanced weather forecasting, nowcasting network ever. These results are already proved and tested, And we have different projects, one in UK, Spain, and now we are in process in Mexico, trying to transform the operators' information or infrastructure, into a advanced weather network. So we're transforming actually not only the infrastructure but also their business. And I think it's done. I will close with that. Thank you very much. It's the first time I see this presentation, okay? So, thank you. Mi mujer, ¿alguna pregunta? ¿Quiere...? ¿No? Okay, thank you guys.